The laughter of a child. Few sounds spark so much joy and emotion. Yet for many, a child's laughter is a stark reminder of a void left by the inability to conceive and achieve a healthy pregnancy. Chicago's Reproductive Genetics Institute was founded on the concept that science can serve humanity in the most profound and immediate way by helping couples conceive a healthy child. Started in 1989 by Dr. Yuri Verlinsky, RGI was one of the first facilities in the U.S. to utilize in vitro fertilization on a large scale. To date, RGI has assisted in the conception of thousands of children using IVF. If you are having difficulty achieving pregnancy, our general fertility program involves all clinical services associated with human reproduction, including ovulation induction, artificial insemination, and in vitro fertilization. Our current rate of success is among the highest in the world. Supporting all of the assisted reproduction technology procedures, our state-of-the-art embryology department utilizes cutting-edge technology in the fields of fertilization, ICSI, frozen embryo transfers, and egg vitrification. At RGI, our work begins long before we glance into a microscope. Our staff of board-certified genetic counselors will meet with you personally to determine the most likely risk factors for your baby based on your history, ethnicity, and health. Using this extensive process of information gathering, your genetic counselor will know precisely which tests to perform in order to provide the most accurate results on the health of your future child. All couples, especially of an advanced age, those who carry genetic illnesses, or those who simply want added assurance of a viable pregnancy and a healthy child, will benefit from Preimplantation Genetic Diagnosis. PGD, in its various forms, can be performed on embryos during an in vitro fertilization cycle. The normal embryos are then transferred into the woman's uterus, where they can result in a normal pregnancy and the birth of a healthy child. Currently, we are able to perform PGD for many genetic conditions such as Tay-Sachs disease, cystic fibrosis, certain types of cancer-sand chromosomal abnormalities like Down syndrome. PGD can also decrease the risk of miscarriage, birth defects, and mental retardation. CVS is a procedure which allows us to gauge the chromosomal status of the baby and, in special circumstances, to determine the presence or absence of particular chromosomal or genetic disorders. The main advantage of CVS is that you can have this procedure during the first trimester of pregnancy. The adjunct FISH test can provide information about certain chromosomes within 1 to 2 days after CVS. Following the birth of your child, RGI can also offer a secure and competitively priced option for cord blood banking. Considered an insurance policy, banking cord blood can provide a match for your child should he or she be stricken by a childhood blood-based illness. In some cases, the cord blood from one child may be a match for a sick sibling as well. In 2000, the Nash family turned to us after their 4-year-old daughter Molly was diagnosed with Fanconi's anemia, a lethal blood disease of genetic origin. The Nash family underwent in vitro fertilization with PGD, and then RGI selected a disease-free HLA match for young Molly. Adam Nash was born later that year, and his cord blood was harvested for Molly. 10 years later, Molly is in good health, as is her younger brother Adam and little sister Delaney. Since that groundbreaking success, RGI has helped conceive over 250 children worldwide in order to save a terminally ill sibling. By achieving successful results in several internationally recognized cases, RGI has opened a new avenue of hope for people with children affected by genetic disorders all over the globe. And with our continued research into stem cells, RGI is pushing the envelope of applied science for the benefit of patients affected by diseases including diabetes, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. Reproductive Genetics Institute has helped thousands of couples achieve and maintain successful and risk-free pregnancies. Thousands of healthy children around the world have been born as a result of our groundbreaking research and practices. The sound of a child's laughter. Let us help make it the sound that enriches your life every day for years to come.